All right. Morning, guys. So, what do we have for today? Well, first of all, today is FOMC at 2 p.m. So, we need to be aware of that. Need to be a bit conservative, right? Can't just hop into anything. And if there's a bad reaction to FOMC, which is, by the way, I mean, they're expecting a rate cut either 0.25 or 0.5%. So, I mean, we'll have to see that. I think I saw rumors that 11 out of 12 Fed members expected a point 0.5 rate cut. So we'll have to see. But we have Jemaya and Pump today, both pretty similar range, I would say. Both gapping up outside of their range today. I like Jemaya more because it's a bit longer consolidation period, but Pump is holding up better. So Pump is stronger. I mean, recently at least. And but Jemaya is gapping up outside of its range. It has a better range. So we'll look at both of them. LAR, interesting for. I mean, if it wants to take above yesterday's high, maybe 553. What do we have? Jemaya, Pump, LAR. Let's look at our gap screener. I'd say there's not much outside of that for today. Outside of Jemaya, Pump, LAR, maybe GEV if you really want it. It's gapping up quite high. Very strong stock. So yeah, I guess that we can add to our focus list for today. But outside of that, I don't think there's much. Slower, a bit lower ADR stock, which is still not bad, but by the way, Prax is our only current position. Pulled back a bit yesterday. Nothing to worry about, I would say. All right, I'll send out the focus list in the Discord for today. There we go. So, what do we think? Do we think there's a rate cut today or not? I think so. I think there is one. The real question would be, is it a 0.25 or 0.5% rate cut? Well, points in that case. Or percent. I guess it's the same thing in that case. But yeah. Don't really know. We'll have to see. It's at 2 p.m. today. So I guess today, I mean, this morning might be slower because of the expected rate cut in the FOMC meeting. Looking good. Higher lows right here in the market. And IWM made new all-time highs yesterday. Right here. So yesterday was a new all-time high for IWM. Very good thing. Pretty far on QQQ. SPY, it's getting closer, but it's still not there. So market opens in 1 minute. Do you guys are looking at any other things that I might have skipped over or not? Or any questions about these four that I'm focusing on for today? I guess we all need volume, right? Look at the market. Decreasing volume for... I mean, the volume has been so low recently. I guess it's December, right? People don't really care about that. Here in December last year was the previous time when the volume was much lower. Well, it rose mid-December. But before that was very, very low. Even lower than today. Well, than recently, I guess. All right, so market is opening. Let's see what we have. I have no idea if we'll take anything today. Market just opened. And at this point, we're not forcing anything. And if we do, we'll just likely lose more money, which is obviously not what we want, right? So let's look at these four. Pump seems to be, I mean, it's been 30 seconds, but pump seems to be maybe holding up right now compared to the other ones. Still have time though. Google is not bad looking. Put alert here, 320.44. Let's see. This earnings are today. Maybe you can put this a bit higher, but there's no volume basically. And Google going to raise this higher. So Google here, this here. All right, so GV. Well, yeah, I guess in that case, GV might be the only thing. Maybe Jemaya. I don't even know if we'll trade anything today, to be honest. I mean, GV is, the volume is good. The rest is... I mean, if you guys want to take something, you can, right? GV. Jemaya is not looking bad. I personally don't know if I'll take something today. But, I mean, they do look good. And in good market conditions, I'll hop on both of them, actually. Like, without a doubt. GV, what's with the size on this? It's pretty, it's 700 a share. So... And size is not bad on GV. It's just, I mean, slower, but what about Jemaya? if it goes. Size is fine. I guess GV might be the best risk reward today. Oh, this is breaking down right here. All right, so if you guys want to take something, GV might be your best bet for today. Best looking one out there. Strongest ones. I mean, strongest one, and volume is actually picking up as well. Jemiah is still, I mean, nah. GV is better. If Jemiah confirms on the 5-minute, can be pretty good, but GV will probably confirm pretty quickly. And all right, it just confirmed. So if you guys want to take this, you can. I'm not gonna take it though. Looks very, very good, actually. And last time it broke out, did over 80%. It was looking at this morning, almost 80% if you take it here. Take it here, yeah. So last time it broke out, did over, I mean, around 8%. And then huge. When was this? Oh, in April. And then huge consolidation period. Wow. Insanely strong stock, honestly. Yeah, I guess GV looks pretty good today. But I'm skipping it because of the market conditions. FOMC this afternoon as well. Kind of even if a rate cut is expected, still have to follow my rules, right? My rules are not necessarily not to trade when there's FOMC. My rules are to be conservative when the market conditions are not probable to trading, I guess. And today or recently is like this. All right. Gonna make a quick post about GV on X. Send it out in the Discord earlier, but what was the size of the gap? 10%. All right, there we go. So just made a quick post about this. I guess that will be it for today. Anyway, because we have the meeting this evening. So I mean, we're not trading right now. Well, personally, I'm not trading. Focus list is in the Discord. We have this right here. If you guys want to take, you can. It's a very, very good setup. I'm skipping it because FOMC again, market conditions. Jemiah looks like it's not confirming. Pump. I mean, I guess, but there's no volume. Very good thing today. Only good thing is GEV. So yeah, and it's a big, big, big market cap, lower ADR. So I guess even though it's good size, right? It's 720 a share. Whatever you risk, for example, I have let's say 0.25% risk, which I would recommend on this, you guys can have almost 10% of your account into this position. So yeah, that'd be pretty good size for this right here if you take it. If not, fine. But I guess overall that will be it for today. I'm personally not taking any trade because of, again, market conditions and FOMC this afternoon, which will wait until the rate cut. If there's a 0.25% rate cut, 0.5% rate cut, or whatever. NXDR. Yeah, I mean, huge gap this morning. Is it off earnings? No, not even. Probably some news then. I mean, there's a huge gap, but stop width is way, way, way too wide. It's 20% right now. So if you took it off 5 minute, what would it be? Even off 5 minute, it's like twice ADR. So no, the size is not worth it. And it's not bad overall. It's just way too wide for it to be worth it. Does that make sense? With the width of the stop loss? Yeah, I guess so. Right. Well, I guess that will be it for today. We have a meeting this evening as well. So until then, I mean, we'll discuss rate cuts in the meeting this evening or this afternoon. So whatever the results of the rate cut and FOMC meeting today is, we'll have a better, I guess we'll have a better idea of where the market is going. Because right now, before FOMC, usually the market is either choppy, either slower, whatever it is. So if you guys are not taking GEV, I'm not seeing much in the market other than that today. Maybe pump, but there's no volume. So yeah, I guess that will be it. But I'll see you guys in a meeting this evening. All right? See you guys.